Well, ladies and gentlemen, today I found two of these underneath my bench. They're from last year. I've took all the dead plants out, and there's actually a begonia. Well, it was growing there in the centre, begonia tuber there. So what I'll do, I'll leave that in. And what I've got here is a nice mix. I've got two pelargoniums. One is called Quantoc Perfection, and one is called SK Verglow, I think. And these have beautiful flowers on. They've been pruned back just to bulk them up a little bit. And I've got a beautiful petunia, divine, and then an Allison golf ball mix. So I'm thinking one on that side, like so, one on that side, and then we can have that there and that there. I use a peat-based compost. I'm trying to go peat-free, so please, I know it's not good for the environment. I will be transferring later on this year to a peat-free version. So yeah, I'm trying to save the environment. I'm using the compost from last year. So let's get the camera set up first, shall we, folks? Yeah, I use a bin liner. It's a white bin liner there. It just keeps the compost in, and the good thing about it, you know, it doesn't dry out too quick. What you can do with it, what I tend to do in mine is, once I've lined it, and then pierce holes probably a couple of inches from the bottom, so then you get a little reservoir of water there to soak in, so you're not just watering it, it's not just rolling away then. Yeah, what we're going to do now is just plant these up. This is a beautiful pelargonium, name tags there to this corner. You want it, leave it about an inch from the top, so when you water, it's going to run straight over the side, so all that water I can't say it now, conservation, that's it, with hanging baskets. You don't want to rot, but you don't want to dry out either really quickly, and then going to be fighting it all the time. And those in each corner, and then I've got a beautiful Allison snowball mix. You can go here. Wants to be untidy, but it'll soon get there. Get the name tag back down there for that one. And this petunia, as you can see, beautiful flowers on that. That's nice. Yeah, all these will look a bit rough for a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. What you need to do then is give it a really good water. I've already watered it before I even put them in, but give them a really good soak. The good thing about using the white bin liner as well is that it reflects the light. A black bin liner absorbs it and gets really hot, so this should keep hanging basket a little bit cooler while I'm at it. So yeah, using a peat-based compost, but this is the second year I'm using the same compost. I'm sure everything will be fine as long as I keep on top of the feeding. I'll give it a good water. I shall give it a liquid tomato feed then, and that should really do the trick. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the video, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Bye.